Book of the week is In the Footsteps of Ram by Vikrant Pandey and Nilesh Kulkarni. It is published by HarperCollins. I cannot even begin to tell you how remarkable this book is, because it follows in the footsteps of Lord Ram through his exile, that is from Ayodhya to Sri Lanka. The book operates on many levels. First, the co-authors, they travel with their spouses. So the regular pressures of a travel like this, which is the flight bookings, the taxis, the drivers, hotels, the food there, and their phones and connections and range and all that. The second is the voyage. When they are looking and searching for the temples that they have marked out on the map, the dwelling places, the ashrams, the other folklore associated with it. Then the conversations with the general public while hunting these places. Some stories are told by the drivers, some stories are told by a random stranger, and the backstories in mythology are given by the priests. So many books on Lord Ram have been written, and so many serials and films have been made on Ramayana. But this book is spectacular, and something like this has never occurred before. I request two people, the government, to buy copies of this book, and all the spots that the authors have mentioned, where the temples are not up to the mark, where it's not looked after. For example, Chintamani cave, where Ram spends a couple of months worrying about Sita, waiting for the monsoons to abide. I think all these places have to be resurrected, proper nameplates have to be put, so that somebody who wants to take this journey again does not have to go through again the same torture that the authors did. And my second appeal is to Netflix. I hope you are watching this, because here is a splendid documentary bursting, waiting to be told. I don't know if the authors have taken video shoot, but even if they haven't, you should travel with them again and make a Netflix on this. It's fabulous. Congratulations, the authors. Congratulations to the spouses for supporting them, and a big salute to the publisher and to the editor of the book.